I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Binance Mobile to PC. Open the Binance app, tap the QR code icon, and choose Link to PC to begin pairing immediately. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan the PC code or enter the pairing code manually if needed. Keep your phone on a secure network and verify device names before approving access, and I'll walk you through each step in a calm, friendly way. Scanning the QR code is the fastest way to link your mobile app to your PC. Open Binance on your computer, click the QR icon on the web login screen, then use the mobile app scanner to read it. After scanning, check the device name and permissions, then approve the connection within the app. If scanning fails, I'll explain alternate methods such as entering a code or using a secure hotspot, step by step with practical tips. If pairing fails, start with basic troubleshooting to avoid frustration. Restart both your phone and computer, then reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi network or use your phone hotspot for a direct link. Check the Binance app and browser versions and update them if a feature is missing. Clear the app cache if scanning still fails, and I'll guide you through alternative manual code entry and security checks so you can reconnect confidently and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.